Hi there. I'm thrilled you're joining me on this exciting journey. If you're like me, you love traveling but dread the thought of lugging around a heavy suitcase. Guess what? There's a better way to travel, and I'm here to show you how. Imagine moving through airports with ease, exploring cities without being weighed down, and having everything you need in just one bag. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. I've learned the secrets of packing light and I'm eager to share them with you. In this guide, we'll dive into the magic of minimalist travel. From choosing the perfect wardrobe to deciding which gadgets can stay home, I've got you covered. We'll even explore how to enjoy your favorite books and keep your clothes wrinkle-free without an iron. So, if you're ready to transform your travel experience, stick with me. Let's make your next trip the most liberating one yet. Here's to adventures filled with joy, not excess baggage. Chapter 1. Pack smart, not more. Did you know that the average traveler uses less than 2/3 of what they pack? That's right. It's time to ditch the just-in-case mindset and focus on versatility. A capsule wardrobe is your best friend on the road. Think of pieces that can double duty: a sarong that turns into a scarf or a dress that works both for beach days and dinner out. The key is choosing items that mix and match seamlessly, creating multiple outfits from a few pieces. Remember, the goal is to pack smart, not more, freeing up space for memories, not stuff. Chapter 2. Tiny toiletries, big space savings. Navigating airport security with a bag full of full-sized bottles? That's a big no-no. The 3-1-1 rule for carry-ons, 3.4 ounces or less per container, in 1 quart-sized bag, 1 bag per passenger, is a game-changer. But, let's take it a step further. Solid toiletries, like shampoo bars and solid deodorants, are not only TSA-friendly but also eco-friendly and space-savers. Plus, did you know solid bars often last longer than their liquid counterparts? That means more bang for your buck and less waste for the planet. It's a win-win. Chapter 3. Shoes. Less is more. Shoes can be the heaviest and bulkiest items in your luggage. The solution? Stick to a versatile pair that can take you from day to night and everything in between. Whether you're exploring city streets or hitting a casual dinner, one pair is often all you need, supplemented by lightweight flip-flops for beach days or hostel showers. This approach not only lightens your load but also simplifies decision-making. Fun fact: the world's most traveled man, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, swears by this rule, proving that you don't need a mountain of shoes to explore the world's wonders. Chapter 4. E-books over heavy books. Are you a bookworm not willing to part with your reads? Here's a stat for you. One e-reader can hold thousands of books and weighs less than a paperback. Switching to digital means you can carry an entire library in your backpack without the extra weight. Plus, many classic and contemporary titles are available for free or at a low cost, making it easier on your wallet. Did you know that reading on a device can also help reduce paper consumption, making it a greener choice? So, next time you pack, remember that your e-reader is the key to lightweight and limitless reading on the go. Chapter 5. The magic of microfiber towels. Gone are the days of lugging around heavy, damp towels. Enter the era of the microfiber towel, a true game-changer for travelers. These compact wonders are not just light, they dry in a blink, making them perfect for on-the-go adventurers. Plus, they're super absorbent and can fold down to the size of a small book, saving you tons of space. A fun fact to note: microfiber towels can absorb up to 7 times their weight in water. Imagine the efficiency during a beach day or a quick hostel shower. This little piece of fabric isn't just a towel, it's your passport to hassle-free travels. Chapter 6. Cut down on gadgets. In our tech-savvy world, it's tempting to pack every gadget under the sun. However, did you know that the average smartphone today has more computing power than NASA used for the Apollo 11 moon landing? With that kind of power in our pockets, there's no need to burden our bags with extra devices. A smartphone can replace your camera, map, guidebook, and entertainment system, all rolled into one. Embrace the digital Swiss Army knife and enjoy a lighter bag and a streamlined travel experience. Plus, reducing your gadget load decreases the risk of loss or theft, keeping your journey worry-free. Chapter 7. Leave the bling behind. Traveling with expensive jewelry and valuables not only adds unnecessary stress but also makes you a target for thieves. The essence of travel is in the experience, not in the valuables we carry. As the saying goes, take only memories, leave only footprints. Opt for costume jewelry or leave the bling at home entirely. This doesn't mean sacrificing style. It means smartly accessorizing to enhance your travel wardrobe without the risk. Remember, the richest travel experiences often come from the moments that money can't buy. Chapter 8. Digital is the new document. In the digital age, there's little need to carry around a binder of documents. With cloud storage and smartphones, all your important documents can be accessed with a tap. Before leaving, upload copies of your passport, travel insurance, and itineraries to a secure online platform. This not only lightens your load but also adds a layer of security, ensuring that even if you lose your physical copies, you're never truly without them. It's a simple step that can save a lot of headaches. Did you know that digital boarding passes are now used by over 70% of travelers worldwide? It's clear, the future of travel is digital. Chapter 9. Accessorize wisely. When it comes to travel, the right accessories can make or break your look. But here's a secret. You really only need one or two versatile pieces. A scarf, for example, can be a sarong, a wrap for chilly evenings, or even a makeshift beach towel. This approach not only saves space but also challenges you to be creative with your outfits. Interestingly, a study found that travelers tend to return to the same few comfort items, regardless of how much they pack. So, why not simplify from the start? Choose accessories that complement everything, and you'll never feel like you're wearing the same outfit twice. Chapter 10. Rent, don't pack, gear. Did you know that renting gear at your destination can often be more cost-effective and environmentally friendly than lugging it from home? Whether it's snorkeling equipment, a bicycle, or a pair of skis, rental options are usually plentiful and tailored to the local adventure scene. This not only lightens your load but also gives you the chance to try out the latest gear without the commitment of buying. Plus, it's a great way to support local businesses. So next time you're planning an activity-packed trip, remember, the gear you need is already waiting for you. Chapter 11. Wrinkle-free tricks. The battle against wrinkles is one many travelers face, but it's a battle you can win. Choosing wrinkle-resistant fabrics is the first line of defense, ensuring you look sharp straight out of your suitcase. But here's a pro tip. Hanging your clothes in the bathroom while you take a hot shower can steam out most wrinkles without an iron. A survey showed that over 50% of travelers find this method effective, making it a favorite hack among the travel-savvy. So, skip the travel iron and opt for smart fabric choices and the power of steam. Your wardrobe, and your back, will thank you. Chapter 12. One Bag Wonder. Embracing the one-bag philosophy is perhaps the ultimate expression of travel freedom. It's more than just a packing choice, it's a lifestyle. With one bag, you move through airports faster, dodge baggage fees, and blend in more easily with the locals. Did you know that the average check-in luggage weighs 20 pounds before anything's even packed in it? By sticking to one carry-on, you're already ahead of the game. This method forces you to consider each item's necessity and versatility, ensuring that every piece earns its place in your bag.